Here are 5 alternative herbal cough remedies to help you treat yourself. 1. Licorice root can help soothe the throat and reduce inflammation. 2. Marshmallow root can coat the throat and reduce irritation. 3. Echinacea can boost the immune system and reduce the duration of a cough. 4. Elderberry can also boost the immune system and has been traditionally used to treat respiratory infections. 5. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe a sore throat and cough. 1. Licorice root. 1. You can make a licorice tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of dried licorice root in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day. 3. You can also take licorice supplements in capsule or extract form, following the recommended dosage on the label. 1. Marshmallow root. 1. You can make a marshmallow tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of dried marshmallow root in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day. 3. Marshmallow root can also be found in lozenge or syrup form. 3. Follow the recommended dosage on the label. 1. Echinacea. 1. Echinacea supplements can be found in capsule or tincture form. 2. Follow the recommended dosage on the label. 3. It's best to take echinacea at the first sign of a cold or cough. 1. Elderberry. 1. You can make a syrup by simmering 1 cup of elderberries in 2 cups of water for about 30 minutes, then strain and sweeten to taste with honey. 2. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the syrup up to 3 times a day. 3. Elderberry supplements can also be found in capsule or syrup form. 3. Follow the recommended dosage on the label. 1. Ginger. 1. To make a ginger tea, grate about 1 inch of ginger root and steep in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day. 3. Ginger supplements can also be found in capsule or extract form. 3. Follow the recommended dosage on the label. It's important to note that herbal medicine should not be used as a substitute for professional medical treatment, and it's always advisable to talk to a healthcare professional before taking any new supplement or herbal remedy.